Sa pagtitiwala, thank you so much, Isabella, and happy Bambanti Festival.
Oo.
Okay.
Pero ang tanong ngayon, ano na ang susunod na plano mo after this?
Itanong natin kay Governor. Governor?
Si Mayora muna.
Mayora?
Pero ito ba yung first time na ikaw ay sumali sa ganitong pageant?
Actually po, hindi po. Nakadalawang national pageant na po ako.
National pageant.
Yes po.
Ano na pala siya?
Reyna ng Aliwan and Hiyas ng Pilipinas.
So, with that answer, babalik ka sa national stage? Parang inunahan na, no?
Tatanungin ulit natin kay Mayora.
So, ito na ba yung sign na babalik ka muli sa national stage?
Short answer is, abangan!
Babalik tayo kay Mayora ulit sa tanong na yan.
Hindi na natin papatagalin, Ma'am Joanne. Siguro, ano na lang yung secret mo na nais na i-impart sa ating mga viewers? At ano yung message mo sa mga nag-a-aspire na maging beauty queen din tulad mo?
Just be your authentic self and always, always be kind. It always pays to be kind to others. Kasi your kindness will leave a lasting impact. And so if you want to join beauty pageants, kahit may pressure, kahit nakakapagod, as long as you're true to yourself and you're kind, you'll get the crown.
Matanong lang natin, no? Iintrigahin lang natin konti. Ano ba yung challenge na na-encounter mo during your journey sa Queen Isabella 2026?
Actually po, ang family ko lagi kong kausap every night. Unfortunately, kinokollect nila yung phones. Possibly, this is also for our sanity kasi especially with social media, there's a lot of hot pics, there's a lot of posts about who's gonna win and who's not gonna make it to the top 15. So I think they're protecting our sanity and it's a challenge for me because I'm getting my strength from my family and less communication with them means less strength for me. But they always say naman that they're just there. They're praying for me. I'm actually holding my mama's rosary all throughout
you're
the
wearing
pageant.
ano,
Yes, sabi po ng handler ko, alisin ko daw. Pero sabi ko, kailangan ko po. So yun lang po, challenge talaga sa amin na walang cellphone. Pero I am proud to say na yung mga ka-roommate ko, pinadali nila yung buhay ko dito. Section C, I love you, Section C!